Life insurance is like a security blanket for your loved ones. Life insurance provides ready money to the people who depend on your paycheck should you pass away. It can help to pay for funeral expenses and medical bills, cover monthly bills such as a car payment, rent, or mortgage, offset childcare costs if you're a stay-at-home parent or a parent who must enter the workforce, fund a child's future education, provide an inheritance for your children or a retirement account for your partner. Think of life insurance like a security blanket that can help financially protect the people you love most. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.